go to the Shopify page. So this is the shopify.com, and let's click the sign up for free. Here, we're going to choose our country. The country that I will choose was United States. And now we're going to be starting our free trial program on Spotify. And you can choose different logins. You can log in from using your email, your Google account, your Apple account, or your Facebook account. But I will choose the Google account for easy access. Then I will choose my own account. Just click it. And we're gonna be redirected into this page. Here, Shopify wants to know, what do you want to sell? So there are options here, a category that you can choose from. And I am choosing online store, social media, and the online marketplace. Then we're gonna click next. And since we are starting business, I'm gonna click the new business or idea. And then we're gonna click next. And Shopify wants to know, what do we plan to sell? So here I will choose the products that I buy or make myself. And then next. And Shopify will also show you their plans in case you wanted to go further, but we're gonna skip it since it is a free plan. And we're gonna be redirected into the Shopify dashboard to customize our stores. So today I will show you how to create your own Shopify store. First, we will proceed here to the Shopify dashboard. In here, you will see on this side the options that you're going to be using in customizing the page. So first, we're going to this part over here wherein it says online store, and we're going to go to the themes to start customizing our store. And then you're gonna be redirected into this page. Default theme was done. So if you want to customize this, it's okay. If you want to change it, just proceed to import theme and click the visit store. Once you clicked it, you're gonna be going to the themes.shopify.com theme store. And here you will find different varieties of themes that you can choose from. So we're gonna select the all themes, and in here there are mixed themes that have fees and that are free, such like this one and this one. So we're gonna be proceeding to the free themes to choose from for our design. And once you've clicked it, all you have to do is to click Try Theme. And it will be redirected back into your Shopify dashboard. Your selected theme will reflect here in the theme library. And if you wanted to select that theme to be used, all you have to do is to click Publish. And once you click Publish, this will be set as your current theme, the one that you've wanted to adjust, customize, and use. But for this design, I will go back to the Done. And this is the one that I'm going to use for my Shopify store. Now, once you're happy with your theme, you're just gonna click Customize. And you're gonna enter the designing dashboard. Here, there are 3 parts, which is useful for the home page. And this is the header, the template, and the footer. So we're gonna design this stage by stage. So first, in the header, this is this part over here where you can see the title of your store and the clicks or the links that you'll be needing to go into your store, the menu. So you can customize this header. Just for example, this announcement bar, you can also make use of this if you want to say something about your store, like if it is for sale or you're in seasons. If you don't want it, just click here click this trash icon to delete it, or just simply press delete in your keyboard. Then we'll be heading to the header. This is the header. So if you want to customize it, you can change its position of each letter. You can change your logo's position in the center, the left or the right, its margin or padding. You can also link this logo to any of your pages or social media accounts. And here in the logo part, you can select images you wanted to use for your store. Here I want to select my logo, so just click select. You can download any files from, or you can select from the recent photos that you have, like this one. This one will be done. So you can change its width or its size. This part over here on whatever you want. So I don't want it to be big. And you can adjust any of it. Then, if you want any changes, just customize and do your own design in here. So there are different selection you can choose from. Like here, I choose as the slideshow. So you're having two slides or two images that are sliding. So you can customize it. And then if you want to customize each slide, just click the title of that. You can customize the pictures, the text, the heading, the buttons. You can also connect them on any link you want. Link this Shop Now button into your product. So in here, like this Shop Now button, I'm linking this to my product. So the products that I input here in Shopify. So just click here. You can also put, or you can also link your blogs or some of your collections or pages that is available here in this site. And then we're gonna go back to the footer. So this is the footer. This is where you put your details, your contact info, or if you want your customers to subscribe to your email account so that you can send them some promotions and some vouchers or any discount coupons that you're offering your store. So once you've set and designed your store page, all you have to do is to save it, and then let's go back to the main page or to the dashboard. And if you want to see what this store look like, just click this part. There's an eye thing, eye icon in here for you to view what your store is going to look like live. So here, and my shop now is connected to my products. Here are the products that I uploaded a while ago. So let's go back to the dashboard and I will show you how to add products on your account. So you can do it by collection or by each one. You can enter your products into different collections. You can just tag them for easy access if you have a lot of products. But first, you need to start uploading your product or adding your product. So when you click the product, you will be brought into this page. And if you don't have a product here, all you just need to do is to click Add Product on the upper right part of your page. And once you've clicked it, you will be headed into this site wherein you can just put your product info like the title, the description. You can upload one or more pictures depending on what product you wishes to input. For example, let's put 2 products. Once you're done, there are 2 products in here. The one is in the bigger selection. So this is going to be your main product. But you can also customize this depending on which product you wanted to be your main photo. If you want to customize your product or cropped it, redesigned it, change it, resize it depending on the page need, whether it's horizontal or vertical, can apply, and then you need to save it. And you need to go back, and you just have to input. The category will automatically be chosen by Shopify, or if you don't want the category, you can select here too. There's a lot of different categories to choose from. Then you need to put the pricing. There are 2 prices here. You're gonna input here the price of your product, and then here at least put a compare at price or higher cost than your price, so that it shows or it looks like you're giving them a good deal and it's discounted. Depends on the promo that you want. Cost per item, the actual cost you made for the product besides the additional charges you want, and then you can see it will automatically compute your profit and the margin percentage of your sales. You can also track or do your inventory in here. Just put how many stocks do you have than the actual, and every time somebody else would buy your product, it will automatically deduct it in your inventory. For the shipping details, the weight of your product is important for the shipping fee and also for some shipping details that needed by your shipping companies. If you have a specific region, you can also put it here. And the variants, if you have some other variants in mind to put into your product description, like sizes, colors, or if textures or materials, you can just add it here and you can customize it and put as much as you want. And then we're gonna click save and you will see your product over here. So as you can see, I've already input 10 products in here a while ago. So if you wanted to make changes, just click the product and edit whatever you want, and then just click save. or free view to your product in live and what it's gonna be look like in your store. So if you wanted to see some changes or make some changes, just go back and edit more. And then you can also categorize your product by collections. I wanted to create a collection for bunny essentials. Title of my collections is Bunny Essentials, and I can put some description here. Things you need as a bunny owner for our bunny babies. And then select manual so that you can select it one by one. You can also add an image for your collection. And then once you're done, you're gonna save it. Okay. And we're just gonna browse the products that we're gonna input for this collection. For example, bags, the litter, bed, this food. Then I'm gonna add all of that. Now once it's already here, and I wanted to add some image for my Bunny Essential stores. Okay. And then I'm gonna save it. Once I'm done, I wanted to view it. Just click view. And you will be heading into this page where all of your Bunny Essential collections are selected. So this is good if you have a lot of products and you wanted to group them or to itemize them depending on how you wanted to sell them or more. You can also create your purchase order. You can also create some gift cards or coupons that you can give to your customers. And once you're happy doing your stores, it's all set. And we're gonna do the final step. We're gonna remove the password for your Shopify store. So this password is only used whenever you wanted to make changes on your store and you don't want your customers to see those errors or made an error clicking on your page while you were doing your maintenance. To remove the password, all you just have to do is to click the Add Business Address and fill out the details. So once you've saved it, you have your store password protected and you need to remove the password. Once you've removed it, when you view your store, you're gonna view it as this is. So there's no more password needed. If you want to click on your products, you can now click it. You can go back home. So that's it. That's how you create your own Shopify store. Thank you. Bye-bye.